Hello Dream My friends! It's the month of May, and for the month of May, the theme is growing and changing. But this week's growing and changing, we have a dream box called Mom and Me. So let's find out what's inside. Okay, let's put that aside. In this dream box, we get the book Just Me and My Mom. So make sure you read this with a family member. Okay, my friends, let's find out what felt activity we have this week. They give us the yellow one today. Okay, since it's Mother's Day, let's find out what pretend play they provided us with. Oh wow. Look at this adorable house. Super cute. Flowers, because Mom loves flower. Heart, you could tell her, Mom, I love you so much for Mother's Day. And you could say, Mom, I prepared a present for you. And look at this. A big plate, toast, egg. Look at this bacon, so cute. And fork, knife, and spoon, along with teacups and a teapot and a big slice of cake. Let's see, I'm gonna imagine that that's my favorite chocolate cake, and I'm gonna say, Mom, come please and have some breakfast with me. I prepared breakfast for you, and pour some tea, pour some milk for myself. And what I would do is go hunt for some magazines or construction paper, and I would cut out my own. I love avocados, so I would put some avocados on the plate, and I would ask Mom, what would you like in addition to the breakfast? And she might say, oh, carrots and broccoli. Then you make your own carrots and broccoli out of paper, and you place it right on her plate. And you just get creative, and you just pretend play with your family, and you just like make some soup and some rice maybe, and you just go yum yum yum. Okay, that's really fun. So always make sure that you add your additional cut out pretend play for each felt activity that you get. Okay, so let's put that aside. Okay, along with Mother's Day activity, we have Cinco de Mayo coming. And for Cinco de Mayo, they have prepared poncho making. And for poncho making, they have the pom-poms, the felt strips, the fabric glue, and the fabric markers, and the paint. And this will actually help recognize shapes and lines and colors, fine motor skills, and we get to learn about different cultures. So this will be a fun, interesting activity, so follow through. Let's see what's next. Along with that poncho making, we have music and movement shakers. So we'll be learning rhythm and sound patterns, syllable segmenting, and it'll help with gross and fine motor skills at the same time. So that'll be a fun activity. We'll be putting beans in there and we'll make shakers. Okay, we have some watercolor palettes, colored pencils, crayons, beautiful watercolor paper, foam letter stickers, and number stickers. We have a sticker. We have more stickers, popsicle sticks, decorative items, and a tea packet. And this will be all used for our Mom and Me hand tracing art, Mother's Day picture art frame, Mother's Day teapot card making, and invisible sight words painting. So we have a lot of different activities prepared this week for you to follow through. And let's see, let's go on to our next activity. This week's sensory bin consists of a tweezer and beans. And along with the beans, you get this white giant corn. And make sure you feel and play with the texture. You get the Lego pieces for measuring feet, measuring size, and comparing mathematical words. You get this rubbing plate activity. You get the shapes recognition sticker activity kit. And finally, the lovely flower plate for our culinary class. And you get to place your rainbow or unicorn pancake making that you do with Mom this week. And that's it. Bye, guys.